Customers have questions before they buy, but finding your contact information? That's a hassle. The Talk to Us pop-up solves this problem. It adds a bright blue button right next to Add to Cart on every product page. One click opens a beautiful modal pop-up with a simple contact form. Customers enter their name, email, phone number, and question. Hit Submit. The form goes directly to your Zoho account. Your team gets notified instantly and can respond within hours. Multiple ways to close. Click the X, press Escape, or click Outside. After submission, a thank you message appears and the pop-up auto closes. The result? 30% fewer abandoned carts, more qualified leads, better customer satisfaction, and sales that wouldn't have happened without that conversation. Ready to engage customers at the perfect moment? Install the Talk to Us pop-up today. Thanks for watching the video.